Hello everyone, I am Mr. Arvind Kute, Assistant Professor of English. Welcome back once again on my YouTube channel. As per SPPU Pune's examination schedule, the examination of first year arts 2019 pattern is going to start soon. I have just made this video on compulsory English course. I am going to provide you 100 multiple choice questions which will be helpful for your preparation. To download the document, please watch my video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's begin. Unit 1 Prose Engine Trouble by R.K. Narayan. Question 1. Who is the author of the story Engine Trouble? A. Mulkraj Anand, B. R.K. Narayan, C. Raja Rao, D. Khushwant Singh. Correct answer is B. R.K. Narayan. Question 2. Which narrative technique is used in the story Engine Trouble? A. First person narration by unnamed narrator. Second person narration by writer himself. C. Third person narration by unnamed narrator. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. First person narration by unnamed narrator. Question 3. The story Engine Trouble is taken from which collection of stories by Narayan? A. Malgudi Days, B. The Serpent and Rope, C. Swami and his friend, D. Bachelor of Arts. Correct answer is A. Malgudi Days. Question 4. What prize does the narrator win in R.K. Narayan's Engine Trouble? A. Road engine, B. Photo frame, C. Television, D. Railway engine. Correct answer is A. Road engine. Question 5. Which show came into the town of the narrator? A. Circus, B. Fashion show, C. Gaiety-land, D. Disneyland. Correct answer is C. Gaiety-land. Question 6. Where was the lottery show set up? A. School ground, B. Gymkhana ground, C. Municipal ground, D. Public ground. Correct answer is B. Gymkhana ground. What was the condition by the showman about the prize? A. The showman will deliver the prize at home. B. The municipality will deliver the prize at home. C. The owner will have to carry the prize at his own cost. D. The prize will be kept on the ground permanently. Correct answer is C. The owner will have to carry the prize at his own cost. Question 8. Who is the narrator of the story The Engine Trouble? A. The owner of the lottery show, B. Talkative man, C. Municipal chairman, D. The owner of the well. The correct answer is B. Talkative man. In the story Engine Trouble, we have theme of A. Luck and hope, B. Practicality, C. Responsibility, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 10. How did narrator get rid of road engine? A. Swamiji helped him, B. Municipal officer helped him, C. Owner of the show helped him, D. Nature and earthquake saved him. Correct answer is D. Nature and earthquake saved him. Unit 2 On Saying Please by A.G. Gardiner. In the essay On Saying Please, we have theme of A. Courtesy, B. Morality, C. Civility, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 12. On Saying Please is a thought-provoking essay on A. Discipline, B. Good and bad manners, C. Sports manners, D. Business ethics. Correct answer is B. Good and bad manners. Question number 13. Why the liftman did throw the passenger out of the lift? A. He said only top, B. He said top please, C. Because of his rude behavior, D. A and C both. Correct answer is A and C both. Question number 14. What is the pen name of A.G. Gardiner? A. Alfred, B. Alpha the Fluff, C. O. Henry, D. Saki. Correct answer is B. Alpha the Fluff. Question number 15. According to Gardiner, what the law cannot compel us to say? A. Please, B. Thank you, C. Sorry. D. Excuse me. Correct answer is A. Please. Question number 16. Which character in the essay on saying please is a polite character? A. The lift man. B. Bus conductor. C. The passenger. D. The narrator. Correct answer is B. Bus conductor. Question number 17. According to Gardiner, what is not an illegal offense? A. Impoliteness. B. Bad manner. C. Immoral behavior. D. Politeness. Correct answer is A. Impoliteness. Question number 18. What is required to make life kindly and tolerable for each other? A. Money. B. Civilities. C. Law. D. Punishment. Correct answer is B. Civilities. Question number 19. What the law can protect us only from? A. Moral attack. B. Material attack. C. Mental attack. D. Individual attack. Correct answer is B. Material attack. Question number 20. On saying please is a dash essay. A. Thought provoking. B. Humorous. C. Only A. D. Both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. For more multiple choice questions, please visit description box of this video and download it from the given link. Thank you.